As we go through the motions of our daily lives, we frequently ignore minor details that could make our lives easier. When you go into your house, you'll notice a slew of items that we're all familiar with, or so we thought. It turns out that we've all been misusing some of these everyday items. But don't worry. We've got some terrific suggestions for making your life 150% easier by harnessing these hidden features on commonplace items. When you go grocery shopping, it might be tough to fit everything in the cart without crushing your fresh groceries. Softer fruits and eggs are always carefully stacked on top of the rest of the supplies, but there's always the possibility that they'll fall off and break. Use the loops on the sides and back of the shopping cart to hang bags and make extra room for yourself instead of squeezing everything into the cart. It will be simpler to keep such delicate items upright. These could also be used to bring food into the house. We generally show someone applying a long line of toothpaste to all of the bristles in toothpaste advertising. While it may seem self-evident to follow the commercial's advice, using too much toothpaste might destroy your teeth over time. In reality, you only need a pea-sized amount of toothpaste to brush your teeth. Too much toothpaste is advertised in large volumes for aesthetic reasons, but it can wear away the enamel on your teeth, creating discomfort and long-term problems. Have you ever been in a new car and couldn't figure out which side the gas tank was on? When you get at the gas station, you must exit the vehicle to determine which side you should proceed to, which takes a long time. Every car, on the other hand, includes a characteristic that shows which side the gas tank is on. The next time you get in your car, look for the gas icon on the dashboard behind the steering wheel. Your petrol tank is located on the site indicated by the little arrow. You'll be able to locate the gas station and know which side to go to when you arrive. Microwaves can be inconvenient at times due to their small size and ability to only handle one thing at a time. When you have dinner guests and need to prepare a meal, you must do so one dish at a time. Unfortunately, the other one turns cold while the person waits to eat. While this is going on, we thought it would be more convenient if we could prepare both at the same time, which we were able to do. Place the first plate in the oven, then turn a cup upside down to use as a stand for the second plate. This will allow you to serve two courses at the same time, reducing wait time. If you have a backpack with the slotted patch on it, we're willing to bet you've never used it. Although it serves a practical purpose, most people mistake it for a decorative element. It's called a lash tab, and it was once used to carry axes and knives. The lash tab can be used to attach anything to your backpack. Many hikers use it to secure their sleeping bag or other bulky goods that just don't fit in their backpack. If you're an overpacker, this will save you some space in your backpack.